Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to disable the prompt that your organization is switching to Microsoft Edge. I show you guys how to do that. First open up Edge and click on this three dot icon and select settings. On left side you just need to select the default browser. On right side allow sites to reload in Internet Explorer mode, IE mode. When browser in Microsoft Edge, if a site requires Internet Explorer for compatibility, you can choose to reload in Internet Explorer mode. Select this drop down to don't allow guys and just select restart. It will relaunch the Microsoft Edge and changes will take effect guys. And that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.